In this video, we're going to learn how to use the tcdf function, and you use this function when you're finding probabilities for a t-distribution. So if you click on second vars, you'll see your list of distributions, and then option 6 is tcdf. And so from our example in the previous video, we first looked at a greater than problem where we had 19 degrees of freedom, and the question asked for you to find the probability when t is greater than 2.205. So in terms of a greater than problem, you're going to put your t-value in your lower bound, and then your upper bound, you're going to use a really large number, which in our class we use 1e99 to represent a really large value. And then your degrees of freedom, again, are 19 in this first problem. And so you're just going to submit those answers to your calculator, and it will give you your probability. Now the other option was the less than problem. So if we go back to our tcdf function, our second problem was asking what is the probability that t is less than 2.4, and it gave us 27 degrees of freedom. So in a less than problem, you want to use -1 E99 to represent a really small value, and you're going to put your t-score into the upper bound. So in our case, that's 2.4. And in our problem, we had degrees of freedom given to us as 27. And so again, you'll submit this to the calculator, and it will provide your probability.